What's going on, cruisers? It's your boy Mike here for another issue of Cruise Control. Thanks for riding with me. In this issue, I'm back in this nice clean garage. We're going to check out this 1936 Ford Businessmans Coupe, done up in early 1960s traditional hot rod. So, my friends, let's go check it out.
Cruise, 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 cruise. Cruise, 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 cruise. Yeah, cruise.
Well, cruisers, this isn't what I wanted to show you. This is what I wanted to show you. 1936 Ford Businessman's Coupe. Before I get into it though, I have to point something out. Everything you see, body, paint on this car, hasn't been touched for at least 45 years. Well, cruisers, now that we got the hood opened on this, I'm going to show you the 283 that they've just put in this. Originally, this car would have came with the flathead V8, but as you can see, some things change. On top there, we've got a 50s style Cadillac air breather installed. Now they've also put in this car a 700R4 automatic transmission. They've obviously put the overdrive with it. Hub to hub front end disc brakes installed, along with a Mustang 2 style power steering. Well, guys, moving on to the next stage. Gonna check out the interior of this thing now. I do want to say that they have been working on this car for the last little bit. It's been a winter project, but you know, obviously summer's here, so they want to get out and start driving the car a little bit. So the interior hasn't been finished. This is what they've got right now. They've got the Dynamat still put in. Steering wheels put back in. They've actually swapped out the seats. This would have originally came with a bench seat. He's actually swapped them out. He's put the buckets in. He's got the aftermarket shifter. If I'm not mistaken, I believe they're out of a Miata. Don't quote me on that, but anyway, he's going to be redoing all these seats, everything. Will look completely different, and I think we might have to do an update actually at that point. But yeah, a lot different than your modern type cars right now. Obviously the cluster here, not digital, it's all analog. He has upgraded our sound system though. We've got the aftermarket CD player. Well, cruisers, we got the keys to the 36. Let's cruise. One thing I do want to say on this thing, they always got to keep it tricky. They don't even tell us what gear we're going to be in, so we're going to feel for it. Alright, so we're in reverse. I believe we're in neutral. And now I believe we're go, boys and girls. Alright, let's see how this puppy goes. Warm in here. You definitely feel the suspension in every little crack, you feel it. But you know what? It's part of the hobby. It's what we love about these things. You know? They don't drive like modern day cars. Yeah. Love it. Go. I'm just gonna pull onto this street here. I just want to hear how it sounds when we open her up just a little bit. It does look like a rough road, so I'm not gonna do it too crazy, but a little bit of construction. That's that 283 under the hood, 700R Ford tranny. Sounds good. Cruisers, that's going to wrap up another issue of Cruise Control. Hope you enjoyed it. I know I did. I did not expect to take this beautiful 36 out for a nice drive, but hey, when the owner throws you the keys, you know what to do. You take it for a drive. So until next time, we'll see you down the road. And oh yes, if you did like the video, make sure you hit the like button, hit the notification bell so you do know when I'm throwing another video out there. And I always appreciate the nice comments. If you think you know of a good car that you want to see featured, make sure you comment below. And until next time, happy cruising.
Cruise, 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 cruise.